Hey, this is Miss Luke, and today we're going to be dividing whole numbers by unit fractions. What is a unit fraction? Here are some examples. 1/2, 1/4, 1/10, 1/9, 1/5, 1/100, 1/1000. What do they all have in common? They all have a numerator of 1. So let's do 5 wholes divided by 1/2. So if I'm drawing models, I'm going to start by modeling my 5 wholes. So I'm going to draw 5 circles. Then I'm going to split up those wholes into halves. Last, I'm going to count how many halves I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 5 divided by 1/2 is 10. Let's try 3 divided by 1/4. This time my models are going to be rectangles. I'm going to draw 3 whole rectangles, and then I'm going to split those 3 rectangles into fourths. I'm going to count how many fourths I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I could have also done this with skip counting. So in the first one, 5 divided by 1/2, I could have done 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And in the second one, I could have done 4, 8, and 12 to get my answer.